Ever wondered how some YouTube channels attract millions of viewers while others struggle to get even a handful of clicks? The secret lies in the magic of SEO. Picture SEO as your invisible marketing team, tirelessly working behind the scenes to boost your channel's visibility. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a set of strategies designed to make your content more appealing to search engines like Google and of course YouTube. When done right, SEO can transform a humble channel into a viewer magnet. Now the question is, how do you do SEO right? The answer is simple: with the right tools. Tools like VidIQ and TubeBuddy can be your guiding light in the often confusing world of SEO. These tools help you analyze your content, provide actionable insights, and ultimately, optimize your channel for success. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of SEO and turbocharge your YouTube channel? Here's how. Scene script. SEO for YouTube isn't rocket science. It's a straightforward process that anyone can master, given the right tools and knowledge. Let's unpack the mystery of YouTube SEO one step at a time. At the core of SEO, or search engine optimization, is keyword research. You need to know what words and phrases your target audience is typing into their search bars. A tool like Google's Keyword Planner can give you these insights. Alternatively, you can use YouTube's Search Suggest feature. Just start typing a keyword into the YouTube search bar and see what pops up. Once you've got your keywords, it's time to optimize your video titles and descriptions. An optimized title is catchy, descriptive, and includes your primary keyword. Your description should also include these keywords, but in a natural, readable way. Remember, it's not just about the search engines. Your human viewers need to understand and be drawn in by your content too. Next, we have tags. Tags are like little signposts that tell YouTube what your video is about. They help YouTube connect your content with viewers who are interested in your topic. Try to use a mix of broad and specific tags, and always include your primary keyword. Lastly, let's talk about closed captions. You might think they're only for viewers who are hard of hearing, but they actually serve a dual purpose. Closed captions give YouTube extra information about your video content. So if you upload a transcript or use YouTube's automatic captioning service, you're giving the algorithm more data to work with. And there you have it. Keyword research, optimized titles and descriptions, tagging, and the use of closed captions. This is the basic process of using SEO on YouTube. It's not about tricking the algorithm or finding a shortcut to success. It's about creating content that your audience wants to watch and making it easy for them to find it. And that's the basic process of using SEO on YouTube. Simple, isn't it? Meet VidIQ, one of the most powerful tools in the YouTube SEO world. With its array of features, VidIQ helps you optimize your channel, making it more visible to the algorithm. It suggests keywords, analyzes your competitors, and even offers video SEO scorecards. But can it affect your channel negatively? Well, not really. Unless you misuse its features, VidIQ is designed to boost your channel's performance, not hinder it. Now let's talk about the difference between the free and extended versions. The free version is a great starting point. It provides basic keyword research tools and analytics. But the extended version is where the magic happens. It offers advanced keyword suggestions, competitor analysis, and a whole lot more. VidIQ can be a game changer for your YouTube SEO strategy, but it's not the only tool in the shed. Now let's talk about another SEO powerhouse, TubeBuddy. Just like VidIQ, TubeBuddy is a tool designed to help you optimize your YouTube channel. It's a browser extension that provides a wealth of features, from keyword research to thumbnail generation and even bulk processing to save you time. The difference between the free and extended versions? Well, the free version is a great starting point, giving you access to basic features. But the extended version? It's a game changer. It unlocks advanced keyword tools, competitor analysis, and much more. So how does TubeBuddy stack up against VidIQ? While both are excellent tools, they each have their unique strengths. VidIQ excels in providing deep analytics and channel audits, while TubeBuddy shines with its process automation and keyword explorer. Both VidIQ and TubeBuddy have their strengths. The key is to pick the one that best fits your needs. So, now you know the basics of YouTube SEO and the power of tools like VidIQ and TubeBuddy. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it? We've delved into the nuts and bolts of SEO, unmasking the mystery behind those three little letters that hold so much potential for your channel. We've discovered how to effectively use SEO on YouTube, taking you step by step through the process, from keyword research to optimizing your video title, description, and tags. We've also explored the superpowers of VidIQ and TubeBuddy, 2 SEO heavyweights that can give your channel a significant boost. But remember, knowledge is only valuable when put into action, so make sure to consistently apply these strategies. You've learned how VidIQ can enhance your channel's visibility and engagement. It's not a magic wand, but with consistent use, it can significantly optimize your channel. And don't forget about TubeBuddy, another powerful ally in your SEO toolkit. It offers unique features that can streamline your workflow and help you make data-driven decisions. However, it's essential to remember that while these tools can help you, they can't replace the value of creating high-quality, engaging content. So keep experimenting, keep creating, and let these tools aid you in your journey to success. Now, we've also tackled some common concerns like the potential negative effects of these tools and the difference between the free and extended versions. Remember, the tools are not the problem, it's how you use them that matters. So use them wisely, and that's a wrap. We've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you're leaving with a better understanding of YouTube SEO and the tools available to help you succeed. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. So keep optimizing, keep experimenting, and watch your channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe to @howtodo_1og and leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating.